What's up, Overtakers? Here we are out of Joe's Diner, and Dave's missing this week because he's on the Sunshine Coast for a wedding. So it's just me and Brad behind the camera here, bringing you another awesome video. Now, there's tons of cars here at Joe's Diner this weekend. It's never a shortage of cars here on the show, and let's go and check them all out.
Tyler, bit of Mopar or no car, mate.
Yeah, why not? The green is nice. It is very nice on this charger
nice.
here. You know, Manic, he gets this one around. We see this one at a road trip drag challenge.
We certainly have. I've got some nice footage of that in the dark. It was totally useless, but it looked good.
Well, if people remember this one from the DYO, he actually was the one who knocked me out of the DYO in the most recent road trip.
Indeed he was. And what a car to lose to, mate.
Yeah, definitely. I couldn't be happier to lose to something like this.
I think you'd almost lose just to keep looking at the back of it, right?
Yes, 100%. It's a tough looking car.
Check out this nice APG rolling out here, mate.
Here's another beautiful example of how nice green goes on cars.
I reckon she'd be quick too, mate. She sounds very tough.
You definitely can't go wrong with green and black together.
No, it's an age-old combo that never gets boring.
And now we've got here as well this Dodge Viper.
Certainly do, mate. Don't see too many of these getting around Queensland.
No, well, we've actually seen 3 here today.
We have, ironically enough. How about this for something a bit different, Tom?
Yeah, it's like we're stepping straight back into the 2000s.
Mate, this would have been on the cover of Hot Fours for sure.
A very neat paint job on there, that's for sure.
100%. You really don't see early 2000s cars done like this anymore.
No, definitely not.
Most of those are rotting away in somebody's yard, unfortunately.
Or they're just a humble daily driver.
Yes.
That's actually a really nice colour on the Camaro there.
Sure is, mate. Boy, does she sound tough.
Sort of like a, what would you call it? Like a
pale lemon.
Yeah. So we got the F truck rolling out.
Mate, it's a beauty, this one. Slightly tidier than Dave's.
Just a little. See, we can rip on Dave because he's not here.
Yeah, absolutely, man. He won't know.
Got the Kingswood rolling out.
Queensland classic right there, mate.
Yeah. Classic colour too.
Of course. What do you reckon about this XW here, Tom?
Oh, mate, this thing is tough. It just looks awesome set off in that colour.
Yeah, mate. Satin grey. It's pretty unusual. But boy, is it a tidy car.
It is.
People are looking here. Have a look at that engine bay, mate.
Just as a couple of the Tiranas roll out behind us.
Here we go. Ooh, smell that E85, mate.
Makes me feel at home again.
Man, it is very tidy all around this car.
It is definitely built to be a show car, this one. I love the way the engine bay is done. It's just so simple but clean.
Absolutely, mate. And those seats, you just want to sit in there. The recliners, mate. They look just like you belong there in a movie theatre.
Oh, definitely. G'day guys, we're here with Chris and we're going to have a chat about we've got a Gemini here, and well, we know that Dave's a bit of a sucker for Geminis. He just bought one, so.
He loves them.
Now, we've got another different engine combo going on here. We've got the 13B.
13B Bridgeport, done by HPS down in Capaba. Great bunch of blokes, know what they're doing. Basically, I built it first for a burnout car.
Yep.
Then, as things do, it just takes off. Your mates get involved, and they kind of say, "Well, why don't you put a paint job on it?" You know what I mean? And then, if you're going to do a paint job, or you need to do interior, and then it just basically snowballed from there.
Yeah. So it started out as something you were just going to thrash, and then.
Yeah, I just wanted it just for late night shenanigans. You know what I mean? But then, everyone kind of had an opinion about it, so I thought, why not?
Now we see you cruising around in it a fair bit. You're not afraid to drive it at all?
No. Well, to a point.
Yeah.
If I know it's safe to do so. It's a bit loud. Police love it.
Yeah.
But knock on wood. But yeah.
Now, how much power did you end up making?
So last time I got it dynoed, I basically redid the whole combo.
Yep.
So it was naturally aspirated. I then put a Heltec in it. Also went EFI, and on EFI it made 248 horsepower at the rear.
Yeah, in a light little car.
In a light little car. I think they're 750. With an Isuzu engine in it.
Yeah, you
so,
probably drop a fair bit of weight throwing a rotary in there. So.
I lost a little bit of weight for myself, so made it quicker.
Now the Gemini, is there an underlying passion there specifically for Geminis?
I've probably lost count. I've probably had about, I'd say, lucky 7.
Yep.
I've had coupes, I've had panel vans, station wagons, TEs, TDs, TEs. So basically went for had a couple of Geminis, got a Tirana, like an LJ. It just got ruined where it was sitting. So I had to get rid of it while it still worth something. And then went through the 2000s, which was the Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Got myself a Sora. And then, but I went back to the Geminis because, that's my passion. Yeah, I love them.
And the rotaries, is this the first rotary or have you had a couple?
Yeah, this is my first car. It was going to be an RX-7.
Yep.
But when I went to go buy it got sold. So I basically couldn't find another one for the price that I wanted. But then, just through sheer will and power, I couldn't find a RX-2.
Yep.
And then Gemini come up. I thought put a rotary in it.
Why not?
Easy
Then you get the best of both worlds, right?
Yeah,
you get your Gemini and the rotary you want.
Do you know whose fault it is? Scotty Hoffman's.
Oh, there you go.
Scotty Hoffman's. He got me. He got me into the rotaries. Like when I was younger. He took me. He used to have a Series 1 RX-7. He took me in that, and I fell in love with it. Don't tell him that, because I said it was slow back then. but so it's always been it's so easy. It's like a 2-stroke motorbike basically.
Yeah.
And just the size of the engine, the weight of it, and like power band. You know what I mean? Yeah. Why not?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah. I've got too many V8 mates, so got to kind of
be a little
them
bit
up.
different.
Yeah. I've got to be different. Yeah.
And where did the passion for cars start?
Well, my dad has had a passion for cars. He passed away when I was younger. He had a panel van. He also had RX2s. And basically, yeah, it kind of faded out, but then I'm still his son, so yeah, it just went with me. Yeah.
And you said your first car was going to be an RX-7, but what did your first car end up being?
It ended up being a 31 Skyline, the Passage. Yeah, I was looking for something because that would have been in '97.
Yep.
So yeah, there's a lot of people that were getting into the import scene.
Yep.
And that was so easy just to get into it.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I thought, yeah, I might as well get an import.
Why not?
Because they're quick. But yeah, so
well,
the rest followed.
Thanks for having a chat to us today about the
good.
car. Really
All good.
appreciate it.
Yep, all
Enjoy
good,
the rest
man.
of your evening.
Will do.
What an awesome event that was. It was great to get out to another Joe's Dyno. It had been a while since we'd been there. It was awesome just to get back out to another event and check out the awesome cars that were rolling through this event. It's definitely one that you should check out if you've never been before. It is absolutely packed and the food there that they put on at the dyno is amazing. If you guys like this video, make sure you head down below, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when we upload another video. We upload every week on a Tuesday. If you want to support us, make sure you head over onto the website as well, overtakinglane.com.au, to grab yourself some merch. If you want to support the channel in another way, you can head down below, join up to become a member. It's not required at all. Just watching, sharing, and liking and subscribing is enough support for us. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you stay in that right lane, and we'll see you in the next one.